this video I'm going to show you how to add a pro ad here in Leadsleap, and I'm going to show you how to add a pro ad to it. It's very, very simple to do. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you're going to be promoting your list. And for this, what you'll then need to do is go to the, in my case, I'm promoting the prosperity marketing system. So what I'll need to do is come across to the home page of PMS, and then I'll need to click onto the light screenshot. Now that will then open up another window in another tab for you, and it'll have the words here, select areas. So we can just do it, take a screenshot there to show what I mean. It shows you, there we go, it shows you to select area there. So all you would do is take an area of all of that there, and then you would save that. And once that then saved, it will then save it onto your computer somewhere, or downloads, or whether it's in your on your desktop, wherever you happen to save it, that's where it gets saved. What you then do is you come across to Leadsleap, and then you want to put into here, you want to actually go and choose your pro ad. So you would post your pro ad here. So you click on that button there, and that then brings you up a screen here which allows you to add your new ad. And when you add your new ad, it will, if I click onto it here, I won't place this advert on, so I've already got this one running, but you add your new ad there, and what you would then do is you would then, let's see if we can just bring this down a bit here, you would then put your URL will go in the top there, your title, and then that's where you need to put these, need to add or change the image. So you would click on here to add the image that you've already downloaded, and when you do that, if we click here to add the image, you choose the image from your computer, and it will then come up and save it within the window that would then appear here. It'll give you a preview of what it looks like, and then you just click OK, and then that then has saved the ad for you on Leadsleap. And that's how you go and post a pro ad on Leadsleap. And if you want to get more information about Leadsleap, you can go to my blog, davehayes.co, and if you want to get more information about the prosperity marketing system, simply click the link beneath this video. And also as well, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to hit the bell button as well, so that you know that you're going to be getting notified of every video that gets uploaded to this channel. I'm Dave Hayes. Thanks very much for watching this video. Please feel free to leave any comments below the video as well.